this lecture, I wanted to talk about the learning models that we have at the EC Academy, EC Learning Channel. Massively open online courses. We provide many massively open online courses. So you can come to here, the ecodehacker.com, and we provide all kinds of courses on the Mac platform. And this ecodehacker.com is our Mac platform, and we use this one as our textbook in many cases, and it provides you a lot of information. That can be including the sample code, some video sections, the lecture notes, and also may have some questions. Online private courses. We also provide online private course or online tutoring. Courses at this level, we basically is one-on-one based on your own need. If you have your own learning goal, then we suggest the tutoring sessions, and tutoring sessions usually is on hourly basis. And private courses actually will follow our curriculum and mainly following the curriculum that we have. But we will do it in different way. For the private courses, we will have online webinar software to help us. It can provide us a platform so that we can communicate through it, and also I can help you to control and provide guidance on your own side. Remote control on your programming correction sections, and that will give you better experience. And we also will give you homework or help you on the homework you have if it is tutoring sessions. And private courses, we will also follow our standard curriculum that we have. Online group courses. Online group courses will follow our standard curriculum. And also we have the Piazza discussion board. It also provides us some download site for you for the homework and homework solutions, and maybe video link and practice site, some information like that. And we also have the discussion board so that students can exchange ideas through the discussion board of this Piazza platform. And in the future, we may add the Moodle or some other online learning platform for homework submission. Last one is in-person group course. This one we provide group discussion and also group programming experience, and also we will discuss some exams. And our course has 4 different levels, and basically the in-person course will include all of the previous learning models, and the online group lessons will include both the private tutors learning model and also will include the Mac learning model. So we provide very flexible learning models, and just contact us for more details.